Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you two brief clips taken from almost 80 minutes video that I've just recorded for my subscribers. A video that covers a wide range of markets. We have some moves that have begun in the last 2-3 weeks that I believe are sustainable and will produce some great trades, whether you are trading for the short term or for the long term. I think it is a good time to join. I am sharing with you the full range of insights that I am getting from so many markets that I follow throughout the week. You can try my service for not much money. I will provide more details at the end of this clip if you're interested, so please stay on. Other than that, I wish you have a great week. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. The unraveling of the rally in the commodities is continuing apace, and I'll be looking at the various possibilities that is bringing up, both on the short side and in some instances on the long side. And here's a very long list of charts that I have prepared for this video. That's the dollar index, the euro US dollar, Swiss franc, British pound US dollar, Australian dollar US dollar, New Zealand dollar US dollar, Canadian dollar, US dollar Japanese yen. Then I have the euro bond, that's June 2011. I have long yields, June 2011, long yields continuous chart. USD bond, that is June 2011, USD bond continuous chart. I'll have a look at the cash charts of the rates of the 5-year notes, that's FVX, of the 10-year notes, that's TNX, and then I'll have a look at Brent crude, heating oil, gold, silver, high-grade copper, S&P 500 cash, S&P 400 cash, the OX, the Dow, BKX. I'll have a look at the DAX, the EU Stocks 50, and I'll terminate the video with a look at Cameco. That's an uranium blue chip. Okay, that's the US dollar Japanese yen. I got it here on the daily going back to 2007. And I think that there is something interesting going on here. I have two options to discuss here. One option says that the descent that began from here is most likely, in fact, not over. Both options would suppose that the decline that began from here is not over. The intervention, the pledge to intervene by the central bankers after the earthquake, as you can see, helped momentarily, but it is beginning to strengthen again, the yen. And the yen has a role of, if you like, a bearish messenger. The strength in the yen is often associated with very bearish forces in commodities around the world. And if we are now going into a sharp correction in the stock market and a slide in commodities, then it should not be a surprise that the yen will strengthen, despite central bankers' intervention. So far, it has not worked, as you can see. There are so many things in this chart. Take a look. First of all, this is the 200 moving average, and that is the 50 in blue. And you can see that nothing really changed. And you can see the channel. Everything is intact. It hit the other side of the channel here. This is really interesting. It hit the other side of the channel, came promptly down. By doing so, it created a very interesting pattern here that takes the entire descent from this spot as a full leg. The jump back here in when the earthquake occurred, first it fell, then we had a huge support by the central bank and intervention, and that created the C. That is a structure that calls very much for an ABC. Now the question is, do we have all of that taken as one, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 complete, and that's part of a correction, or the entire correction of 1, 2? We're now sliding into a third wave, which would actually take the yen into the stratosphere. The yen will become extremely strong. That is really an extreme reading. The other more moderate reading would say that this is a 1, 2, that's 3, that's 4, this is just 1 of the fifth. Meaning we are going into a lengthy fifth leg, but it's just a fifth leg. It's not, if you like, another replay of the whole thing. That appears to me carrying it too far. So these are the options that I see, and this is not a high confidence reading. It will become most interesting should we see a break or a testing of this level, because at that point what I've got here as a potential first leg up, five waves, will die as a C, will just become a C and nothing more than that. But for now there is, if you like, the potential that this is actually a first wave of a new bull market. A new bull market in the yen, in the dollar against the yen, with this being a 1-2. So I think that in the next few weeks, if we see a retest, a retest of this level, then that should tell us this is very likely. This is a 1-2 ABC. We are heading a lot lower. The US dollar would lose value against the yen. If we see something like that, then it is quite possible, again, not a high confidence reading, but quite possible, especially if you get a solid close, weekly close above the descending line of the channel here, that will become the first leg of a new bull market of the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Okay, that's Cameco weekly scale going back into 2001, and I put forward here a suggestion that the uranium sector, in fact, is undergoing a massive correction due to, well, fundamentally you would say the problems of Japan, of course, but the chart here says this is in the context of a sharp C that is going to take this major blue chip Cameco Corporation, going to take it under 10. This is a chart that goes back, yeah, I mentioned that. That's ABCA, that's an A, that's a B, that's a C complete, that's B. Coming down sharp in a C, going under 10 would prove to be superb buying opportunity. With all the problems, the nuclear is still used, will be used. There are pressing needs for this commodity. So to go and take a rubber and rub off the industry, chalk it off the board, no, you can't do that. This industry is there. It is going to continue to be there for as long as I can see, and may even prosper. Technological evolution is an unstoppable train, and this is the daily going back into September. I've put this forward, this wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I was looking for a more substantial correction that I've so far seen here, and that is suggesting it is possible that in fact we have seen our correction. It's not going to go much more. If that is the case, the slide is going to accelerate now. The slide is going to accelerate. It's going to break quickly 20 and deliver the third wave. But for those who are interested in uranium, keep an eye. This is not for next month, and it's not for the next 3 months. There is no buy signal here in sight. And as you can see, when let's have a look at the monthly quickly. That's the monthly scale. And as you can see, if we are in a sharp C, we've got several more months. We could even be looking at another 6 months before we have any substantial bottom here in place at around 10.7 or so. If that happens, grab as much as you can of this blue chip. This is going to come back. It's going to come back to life and give us a spectacular rally down the road. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you find it useful. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now. Page on Twitter, you are welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs 79 euro only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that I run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly. It's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions. That's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.